name is Chandler Waller. I'm the recruitment chairman for Sigma Nu Fraternity. Due to some unfortunate circumstances, we are no longer having pro days during the semester, so house tours are a little messed up right now. So what we're going to do for you guys is we're going to do a virtual house tour. That way you can still see the house, you're not coming in blind. Our first stop on the house tour is our foyer here. This is one of our central hangout areas. Everything that you see in here that is painted was done by us. All the stairwells, the new stairs, anything painted in this brown or gray color was done by us. We like to do that instead of hiring somebody else to do it, because we believe that if we can save a little bit of money and get some work experience, it's always good for us. So we'll go ahead and come on here to our commander's office and talk to our commander for just a second.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Luke Allison, commander of Sigma Nu. Right here in my office, we have mail slots and our printer. With those, we'll have people put your mail in your slot. Printer, you don't have to go on campus. Also, my office is welcome to anyone if you need to come talk to me or talk to any of our exec members. It's a good meeting spot. But I'll come show you my room. So this is my room. It's the only one-man room in the house. Everything left on the walls is from previous commanders. So it's got a lot of history in the house. It also is really good for meeting as well with my couch. You can always come in here and talk to me if you need to.
Good? Yep. All right. So we'll go on in here to our first hallway for the tour. Usually you would see dogs running through here, but since most people have left with their dogs, there's not. We're one of the few houses that allows dogs on campus, which is super nice. We'll go through here. As you peek in to the different rooms, you can tell that all the different rooms are built in two different structures. Here you have a cave and a loft. There's a mattress up under here and a mattress up on top. Each room is built for two people. That includes two closets, two desks, two mattresses, and two places to study. So with that, we'll come to our second room design. In here, this is called a double loft. This is really good for a social room. A lot of people will come in here in a room like this to come study, come play video games, watch TV, watch sports, that kind of thing. This is one of my favorite types of rooms, just because there's a lot of room to hang out. So we'll go on through here and head upstairs to our second hallway. So this is our second hallway. This is where most of our new members live in their first year. What you see here is a bar that our historian does every year. They build a bar and take the pictures from the previous year that they took and coat over it so that it stays in there forever. It's super cool looking. But like I was saying, you can peek into all the rooms as you wish. They're all slightly different because of the character of who lives in there. But they do follow usually the two different types of room builds. If you don't like how your room is built when you move in, you're more than welcome to rebuild it. We'll keep moving this way. On down here. Peek into all the rooms as you like. We'll go on down to our bathroom up here, second hall. This is what most of your bathrooms are going to look like. So right in here you have your vanity and your sink on the right, and then back here you have your showers. So we'll keep moving on this way towards the end of the second hall. I'll take you guys to my room too as well. It's getting packed up right now, so it's a little bit messy, but I don't mind showing it off. If you want to peek in here, that's what my room looks like.
Is final. Oh, Karen, what happened to us?
Hon, people grow apart. Ah, just kidding. We both know it's Kevin's fault.
Yeah, hey.
So we'll go on down this way, down to our third hallway. Usually for this part of the tour, we would go down to our library, but our library is currently under construction. We have our independent contractors in today. They're working on that, and I'll show you the floor plans for that later. So now we're gonna go ahead and head downstairs. Like I said, everything you see down here, the new wood flooring and the guardrails here that are painted black, and these walls are all painted by us. As you can hear, there's construction going on currently because our library is right over here. Go ahead and take you to the laundry room real quick. This is what the laundry room looks like. The nice thing about this is when you're else on campus, it's you have to use coins to pay for it. If you look here, everybody signs up for a laundry slot, so you don't have to ever fight for your for who's doing laundry. There's only 3 people doing it at a time, and you never lose clothes that way. So that's super nice. So what we're in here now is called our social area. A lot of construction going on, but our social area, anytime we host a fraternity, a sorority, or another campus organization, this is where we'll hang out. The nice thing is, anything in here that you see is made out of wood, including our bar, including these tables and the chairs and stuff. That's all made by us. Every semester we have something called Mom and Dad's Day. On Dad's Day, we come down, we'll hang out, watch sports, maybe work on a few projects here and there. And that's where these come from. And then on Mom's Day, we'll go to the St. James Winery, have a nice lunch. Some moms like to order wine, that kind of thing. So we'll continue our tour outside. What you see here now is our apartments. These are really good for our graduating seniors who are transitioning into adult life. It's nice for them because they don't have to be, they're not living with a bunch of other people. They're transitioning into what it's going to be like post-graduation. They can cook for themselves. They can live on their own, that kind of thing. So then everything you see that's out here, whether it's this new patio or the basketball court, these are all part of the last round of renovations. So what our contractors are doing and what our alumni do for us is always being, we're seeing it all the time and seeing constant improvements to the house. We're going to walk up this deck. This deck was actually built by us. Every year we restain it. It looks like with all the rain recently, it needs to be stained again, but that'll be something for next semester when we come back. We look over here. We have our sand volleyball court down here. We like to play when the weather's nice. We like to host a lot of other organizations to come out and play. On top of that, you get a really nice view of Schumann Park. There's a really nice pond. People like to go fishing over there. There's a gazebo out there if you can see it from here. We host a lot of philanthropy events over there where we'll cook dinner and invite the people of Rolla. And then people come and they'll pay for a plate. And we'll donate the funds to our philanthropy organizations such as St. Jude's Children's Research and mental health awareness. So we'll continue our tour on this way into the kitchen. Here's where you'll eat all of your meals. We work with an organization called Greek House Chefs. Currently we have a chef, his name is Travis, and he comes out and he cooks 9 meals for us a week. 5 dinners, 4 lunches, Monday through Thursday for dinner. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. 5 lunches, 4 dinners. Yeah. So what he does is he cooks our meals for us. We have lunch at noon every day, and then dinner at 5:30. If you can't make it to one of those times, you can sign up for a late plate. And they'll cook a plate for you to have for later. There's always leftovers. He orders breakfast food from Cisco, and a bunch of different basic groceries, so you can always come in and make your own food over the weekends. And then at night, whenever you come in and you're hungry, you're never going to go hungry. You don't have to buy your own food. It's super nice. The kitchen's usually set up a lot different than this, but there's a small amount of people in the house currently due to most people moving out. So yeah, we'll go into our last stop on the tour. This is our last stop. This is actually my favorite room in the house. This is our game room. This is a really good area for people to do a study break. Instead of just sitting in their rooms and watching TV, if they want to come down here, play some pool or ping pong, pinball, anything, come sit down and watch sports. That's what I like to do, hang out with my friends on a study break instead of staying in my room. This is also really good for big sporting events. We like watching all sports. So we'll come in here and watch big sporting events like World Series games, Super Bowl, March Madness, which isn't happening this year unfortunately, We'll come down here. We'll have probably about 40 to 50 people in this room packed in here, all yelling, hooting, and hollering at the TV. So yeah, as you can see, there's also plenty of trophies here. These are from our participation in intramurals. St. Pat's and Greek Week, we like to stay involved in campus and stay involved actively as much as we can. So that's about it for the game room. Go in here, and we're right back here in the foyer. So if you guys have any questions for me, you can always reach out to me. My name is Chandler Wallander. My phone number is 816-308-7906. You can also look at our website, sigmanewgx.com, or reach out to any of our social media outlets if you have any questions for us. Please don't hesitate to ask. That's all I got for you. Thank you.